For this New Year's Eve special, we're going to be reading Dogman, A Tale of Two Kitties by Dave Pilkey. Dogman, A Tale of Two Kitties was written and illustrated by Dave Pilkey as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with colour by Jose Garibaldi. Hold on. Chapter 4. No more kid around. Free kitty. Oh boy! New test tubes!
Did you fall down?
Yes, I fell down.
Why?
Because I tripped on you.
Why?
Because you were in my way.
Why?
Because you're a pest.
Why? Where are you going, Papa?
It's time to eat.
Why?
And stop calling me Papa.
Why?
Because I'm not your Papa. Eat this.
Why?
Because I said so.
Boing.
Blah.
You're funny, Papa.
Why? Later.
Hey, Papa. Look, I made you a book.
Why don't you go make me a cup of tea instead?
Okay.
Soon. It's about time. Hey, this is pretty good.
Thanks. I couldn't find a tea strainer, so I used a fly swatter.
That does it. Alright, get it.
Why?
Just get it.
But why?
We're gonna play a game. It's called the New Home Game.
This is just for pretend, right?
Of course. And so.
Oh, look, a free kitty. How much does he cost?
$1.
Oh, rats, I don't have $1. I only have $10.
Hey, you're in luck. He's on sale today for $10.
Great. What's his name?
He doesn't have a name.
I don't have a name. My name's Little Beauty.
Don't listen to him. You can call him whatever you want.
I think I'll call you Snowball. I think I'll call you Poo-Poo Head. How rude! Bye, Poo-Poo Head.
Alright, wise guy. Next time, let me do the talking. I want to be here all day.
I gotta go potty.
Just hold it, man. Gee whiz, what is wrong with everybody these days? And make sure you worry about the future. Duh, how much does it cost? What an idiot! I mean, the sign clearly says, hey, little cat. Hey, little dude.
Papa! Love is hard to feel with fright, but my little crane and me. We are all alone tonight, filled with sad uncertainty. Do not worry, little crane, together we'll endure our feet. Can I look great? Don't be afraid.
Chapter the 5th. Great Expectations. Meanwhile. Little Petey! Come out, wherever you are! Little Petey! Little Petey! 2 hours later.
Papa and me by Little Petey. To Papa. Papa and me are in the air. It rained and Papa and me went into the lab. But Papa and me go to our car. Look at Papa's new invention. Papa and me think the same things. The end.
What have I done? Meanwhile, 2.0. What's the problem? I think the smokestack is clogged. Well, you better unclog it before that tank explodes. Smokestack filter. Hey, what's this? I'm not sure. It looks like some sort of evil bionic psychokinetic deck fish. But how did it get stuck in our... Hold on. Hey, what's this? I'm not sure. It looks like some sort of evil bionic psychokinetic deck fish. How did it get stuck in our smokestack? And who could be responsible for such a thing? Meanwhile 3.0. Hey! What are you doing behind that plate? No, wait! No! Stop it! Cut it out! Bad doggy! What is wrong with you? Listen, Dogman, it's time to go home. I'll see you in the morning, okay? And no more jumping. I'm getting too old for that stuff. Hey, there's a cat out there. No! Get off of me! Stop! Enough! Bad doggy! I was only gone for 10 seconds. Dogman, there's a cat outside. You need to get rid of him. And make it snappy. Hey! And so... Oh, look, how cute. Let's adopt this kitty. Okay, we can dye his fur pink to match our hair. Oh, look. Let's take him home. Well, alright, but on one condition. We must get him declawed so he won't wreck our furniture. Okay.
Oh my, how precious. Would you like to live with me? You'll fit right in with my 29 other cats. Is that your house? It looks bigger on the inside. Is that your bed? Boing, boing, boing. My bed is hard. Boing. But your bed is bouncy. Boing, boing.
Sleepy kitty. Triple flip over up. Ready? Brush, brush, brush. Jump, jump, jump. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Chapter the 6th. A bunch of stuff that happened next. Flip flop, flip flop, flip flop. Meanwhile. Clap. At last! My 80 hexatron droid forming on is complete. Okay, Bob, I need you to scan this comic. And now go find the kid who made it. Well. I should have known. Don't just stand there. Get him. And so.
Oh, hi, Papa.
Don't call me Papa.
Hey, where's Dogman?
Dogman isn't here.
Dogman's my friend. Dogman see me from a bunch of weirdos. Dogman goes, grrr, ruff, 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 ruff.
What you calling out?
Ruff, ruff, ruff.
2 hours later.
Then these weird guys running down my food big, so Dogman goes, grrr. Then Dogman goes, ruff, 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 ruff. And Dogman's scared away, and then
Enough about Dogman!
ruff, 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 ruff. Grrr, ruff, ruff, ruff. Ruff, 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 ruff. Hey, look, it's Dogman.
Watch and learn, kid. PT, the world's most smartest cat, proudly presents the true story of Dogman. La 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 duh. Hi, I'm Dogman. I'm a big dummy. I like to change cars and drink out of the toilet. Ah, it's not funny. Duh, I gotta go sniff on the dog's butt. What about the dog poop and go take stupid lessons so I can be. It's not funny. Oh, look who's here. It's Petey. Look at me. I'm so smart. I'm totally cool. I build awesome robots and other cool stuff. I'm gonna rule the world one day.
Hey, new Dogman again.
No! Dogman is dumb. Petey is a genius. He's so cool and awesome and handsome. Everybody wants to be like Petey. Just look at that physique. I don't know how to pronounce that one. Those massive pecs. Those abs of steel. Those distinctive high cheekbones. You know, if I weren't so modest, I'd... Meanwhile... Hi, Dogman. It's me, Sarah. How's it going? Oh no, we'll be right over. What's the problem, Dogman? Lost kitty. They found call cops. Come on, let's make some copies and spread them around. Living spray factory. Well, what should we do with this dead fish thingy? Let's get rid of it. We don't want it sticking out the place. Oh. Okay. 2 points. Oh man. Ding dong. Dong ding dong ding dong. Uh-oh. That fish's bionic claw punctured the living spray tank. Pretty soon, the whole factory will fill up the living spray. What shall we do now? Run! That was it for today, and that'll be next time on Dogman, A Tale of Two Kitties.